Hello, I'm Cole, the founder of Premiumtel Sdn Berhad. Premiumtel is a local dynamic company specializing in fiber optic services. We have provided services nationwide to a variety of customers in telecommunication and constructions. We do use quite a lot of electricity, averaging about 1,000 ringgit on a monthly basis. The installed system capacity of 10 kW will help the company to save around 6,500 per year on our electricity bills and reduce carbon emission of around 9.1 metric tons per year. With the green tax incentive support given by the government, I'm enjoying double tax saving up to 48% of the system cost. The ROI for the solar system is getting shorter. I see a spike in my electricity bill, especially if our business may need to extend the working hour due to project. Previously, when receiving numerous projects, the working hour extended. That was when I noticed that the increase of my electricity bill. After little research online, I was briefing searching on the internet for a reputable service provider, and I come across buySolar online platform. After that moment, I turned to solar as an alternative to reduce my utility costs and contribute towards the environment. I like how it is easy to navigate around buySolar website and receive follow-up call in a short time. Getting a quotation has never been so effortless. For starters, this platform is able to provide me with free quotation where I have the option to choose which service provider suit my needs. Throughout the whole process from start to post-project implementation, buySolar team has been professional in carrying out the project. They are also quick in responding to our queries and helping us to settle issues so that we are able to complete the project within our timeline. Well, it is obvious. I get immediate saving on bills and won't have to worry about the hike of the electricity tariff rate anymore. Furthermore, I'm able to enjoy the tax saving incentive for my business. But the main reason for having solar is also to contribute towards the environment. I have shared this awareness to my colleagues and friends that we should harness the amount of sunlight we are getting throughout the year. The follow-up engagement from the sales and customer service team from buySolar was seamless. I was being updated on the status of each progression, and the installation from the appointed service provider was just a breeze. I would say that buySolar is prompt, seamless, and I'm satisfied with buySolar.